I'm a it's a bad man thing. See,
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. Rock it, sit on the brown. When I get like this, I can't be around you. I'm too little to dim down the night. Cause I can name some things that I'm.
So here we are with this deep, curly, Beyonce, drunken love, wild thoughts, messy, wet, carefree bob. So I've had this unit for maybe a month. I think it's going on a month. So I want to give a big thank you to Sensationnel. They have been very understanding with my school schedule, life, and everything else in between. So I definitely thank them for being so patient with this review. When I tell you I have worn this wig out, I have worn this wig out, period. Texture on this is, let's just look at this texture for a minute. So it sprayed this unit with some water before the review. I will definitely insert some pictures of what it looks like completely dry. This is a comfortable cap. If you are gonna purchase this, do not do like I did. Leave some of the lace on the side, but I cut too close to the lace. I'm trying, y'all. I'm really trying. But I did cut too close to the lace. You know, if the wind blows, ooh, she perpetrating, that ain't her. That ain't you. That's a wig. So if you do purchase this, please, please, please leave some lace on the side. Here's your parting space. This does have that lovely 4x4 parting. I don't think I need to explain that at this point. You guys know I live for a deep side left part. Love them. So no real issues with tangling, but
she does shed.
Yeah, she sheds. So I have washed the unit and I've co-washed twice and she sheds. And this is a very high density wig, very full. So this is with all the hair to the front. Might as well give you your 360.
When I was you, all I get is
she is definitely giving me some wild thought vibes. I love the texture, love the curl pattern. I love the fact that we have such a natural, realistic parting. Hairline is actually pretty okay on this. This is with very little leave out. Now, of course, if you wanted to pull this a little bit forward, you know, you could do that or create your own edges. But this is just such a beautifully natural, carefree type of bob.
However.
So, biggest however with this unit is the shedding. And I'm so sorry, Sensationnel. And I hope they come back with this unit and improve on the shedding because it is such a beautiful wig. And with the fullness, you know, you could get, you know, some really good use out of it. But yeah. So if you guys are interested in Miss Deep Curly, I'll leave a couple of places or try to find some places where you can purchase this unit. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel, let your girl know that you're here, and of course don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Those links will be in the description box down below. And we come to this point, ladies, where I say, and you agree with me, and you listen, and you take it in, and then you show the world whatever you do, whatever you wear, whatever wig, just make sure you wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. What can I leave y'all with? Okay, this is my attempt at being sexy.